Don't mind me, I'm a man also. Don't. These guys don't have to be perfect like a woman. Before I'm caught or black.
How does woman own look like?
They took their time to cut things and make it nice. For men, do chaka.
So you want to do that?
This is breakfast. So
Oh, you're going now. Instagram. What do you tweet? But how much post here now? Instagram, what's it? No, no, yana dia noro na be ha. Dia na ejeche ozi ota ni asa ụmụazị ahụ. Na okukwe ombo for the CN. Say feel at times you got small house choice choice mana onwe ka mmanya si bịa mụ na-ebịa ọkwụsị ime all those things nwunye jụọ ya si ya na ọka ghara isi na ọ bụ a man enough at those things n'iwu nwayọ taa ka ọ ghara dị ka nwaanyị na-akọntrol ya ime all those things. So what do you think about that, baby?
It all depends. It all depends on the person, you know, and the family. You know, we Igbo, you know, we Africans, we don't. Sometimes our culture makes you behave silly, so silly, you know. Things you can do behind the door, so why can't you do it open? If I'm cooking, I will cook for my wife, for my children. I'm not doing it to please anybody. I'm doing it because I want to do it.
Yes. It's true, Sha.
I'm not doing it because of my parents or because of my sisters or because of my. I'm doing it for the love of my immediate family. You know, I believe if they love me, they will say, "Oh, you are doing a nice job."
Of course, you know, the big mom self not support evil. She knows what is good and right.
Not only her, all love. All
yes.
My brother, all
even
my
brother Sunday at times used to cook in her house. Sometimes he will say he wants to go to the market himself and cook. He will even ask us to come and eat. To come and eat that he cooked too. So
like in my house, the way my mom brought us up with cooking, so you have to cook. I think it's only one person that knows that doesn't know how to.
Brother Nico.
I don't want to mention.
You don't need to tell me himself, you know. Oh yeah,
he can only cook uchi.
I'm telling you.
Goat meat, the chopped ingredients, the chopped vegetable, I mean. I do add like small Cameroon pepper to make it spicy. I use 3 of these for 4 indommies. 3 of these for 4. I don't put 4. Because if you put all of them, it will be so.
Oh my charging.
Igbo para mo atọ na ya.
Eyi ji na wele ebe wona na afia ka.
Chineke ni kalere Chineke.
Oro ihe nko. Oro tipo official.
Really feel like it
Okay, kitchen is so baby. You guys should tell me that kitchen to the sweet and come be said is still asleep. You cannot even wake up now unless I go there to go and wake you. That kitchen you know, now you just hang it like this.
Hey, Chineke.
Jesus. Hey!
Hey.
Oh, you bend. You bend well like this, baby.
How? Hey,
you even have space to be choking the thing, say. Just small quickie.
Don't let me go.
Go to where?
Don't let me go high while cooking here or because.
Hanchanin enjoying the spice.
So just put your water in a pot. Allow it to boil. You put all your indomie inside. Maybe less than a minute. While allowing your indomie to soft, then you break all the eggs into the cut vegetable. You drain the water. That's the egg and the vegetable. You turn it, mix it properly. Mix it properly. To avoid the ingredients cluttering one side. So that's the reason why you need to light up your gas. Bring it closer so that they will see how it looks like. Then we can start our frying. This is super hot. It's not supposed to be too hot, but it will make it to burn, but I don't care. It's all we are eating.
If I don't care what they made you over here, I don't care after it's what we are eating.
So you make sure it gets to the corner of the frying pan.
Chef Sammy in the kitchen today.
Vegetable. Yes. Then you can add heat to it if you want to make it fry.
Baby, do you know why I love you while cooking? Because you know be scattering. As you are cooking, you are washing, you are keeping everything in order.
Really?
Yes, that unlike me. I will be scattering, I will be arranged, but it's not always. It's when I'm done cooking, then this looks yummy already.
I'm not cooking for, what is it called, the restaurant.
Baby, your interview used to be so delicious.
We are making breakfast, not
your indomie and your jollof rice.
You can turn it. If you want it so browny, it's up to you. But my wife likes it super dry.
So you're making the one your wife loves now?
Yes, this is yours. So.
Hey God. Oh my God.
So I fry my own the way I want to.
Thank you, baby. You see what I'm saying? You still want to remove that dirt that is there. You guys do now. When I forget your name, he will remove. That's what Kobe used to do. If Kobe is eating and just one rice fell down, Kobe will pick that rice and throw it away first before you continue eating. From me. From you now. That's what I'm saying.
Dry and yummy.
This is so lovely. For me and Kobe.
Yeah, for you and Kobe. What one comes with some?
God! Oh my God! This is so lovely. Oh my God!
Can you find a juice?
This is my weight loss. Oh yeah, I can go the.
It's not good when it gets cold.
Abi.
Yes.
Let me go and wake Kobe up. The second step, the second one, right?
Yes. I find out that this one contains more egg than the other one.
Okay. Chef Sammy, you know what?
Yeah. Very chef.
Hey, Chibo. Ready, right?
Yes, almost.
For so long, I was living.
You guys see what I'm saying here? He's already washing.
Yes, it's good to wash that. To look as if I cook and I don't wash, look as if I'm not.
They're not what?
I'm yet to finish what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, what fine. I just wait for the end.
You want to do everything yourself?
Yeah. I will serve you guys.
Zero.
You're malicious.
Again a day.
You're malicious Indomie.
I don't even have to bother about anything in this life. When you have Sam in this life, just know that you're alive, you are in heaven.
No. Kobe Nikona no Indomie na smile.
Yeah, that is cooking Indomie. People should see Kobe's eyes. Come.
Morning, how are you? Did you sleep good? Did you greet your mom?
He has greeted me. How are you?
How 4 packs of Indomie can serve many people. So this one is more economical and when you have small Indomie, so you can manage it.
Go take water to the parlor. Take water.
On a normal, I'm supposed to eat 3 Indomie.
But this one 4 is going to serve the 3 or 4.
4 is going to serve 3 or 4.
It's that small pack. That's
the
smallest pack is this because of the vegetables. It now came out like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You're going to see the rest of the video in my vlog tomorrow, okay? Please don't forget to subscribe, okay, if you have not. Bye.